Videos not playing on iPhone, unable to load, error fix. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve if you're not being able to play videos on your iPhone and unable to load. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, one of the most common reasons for this error is if the internet connection is unstable or off. So if you're trying to watch online videos from social media platforms or from OTT platforms, you want to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now, if it's usually something that you have already downloaded and it is there inside the Photos app, then in that case what you can try to do is you can simply try to check your device storage and make sure that you have at least over 50 gigabytes of free storage left. Otherwise such issues could actually be happening. Now, the videos stored in iCloud would show unable to load error on your iPhone if the internet connection is poor. Other prevalent reasons are optimized storage being toggled on or off your iPhone and having inadequate storage. So hope this video helped you understand it. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.